Viewers, today we're going to unbox this LED strip, Govee LED strip. This is the Govee LED strip, and this is their first matter certified LED strip. So today we're going to unbox. The package looks like a unique shape, like a chocolate box. Let's open it and see. So, on the top we have a quick install guide. Uh, on the top cover, let's see what's the mention on on the top cover. They mention like there's 350k luminance. This is the LED strip. It's a 5 meter LED strip. So this is the LED strip. Let's see what's what we have inside. We have some paperwork, user manual, some alcohol wipes, and this is 3 mm tape. These are mounting clamps. We have 2 sets, and this is the power brick. We will open it and see why it was so big. So what type of production it has inside it. And this is the controller. It's a Bluetooth Wi-Fi controller. And this is the close-up shot of the LED IC. As you can see, there is a separate white LED along with the RPG LEDs. So the bottom one, that big yellowish one. So I am showing the LEDs in action in a slow motion. As you can see, RGB's LEDs are switching, and there is a white LED also that's flashing below it. So and this is the inside of the power brick. This is why it has such a bulky one. So you can see there is a huge heatsink, lot of big capacitors. So actually there was an LED indicator on this PCB, but there is no LED, and there was a diffuser also on the cap, but I don't see any LED on the PCB. So it was don't know why they did not put the LED over there. So Let's see underneath the PCB. It's a double layer PCB, all analog on top and all digital on the bottom components. This is seems to be all quality components. This is their first Matter certified LED strip. As you know, Matter certified is compatible with all the brands, so it will integrate. And this is inside the controller. This is the Bluetooth controller. This is the mic where it picks sound. So I don't know why this IR port is IR mentioned, and is this for any IR connectivity? Not sure. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. What's this IR connector? IR, is this infrared kind of something? Not sure. So this is the IC RGB. Let's see the bottom side. Bottom side we have Lotus switches. That's it. This is actually I'm not showing the